So if you have stiff back and shoulders and you are feeling uncomfortable throughout the day, then this video is for you. It's going to be super simple. All you need is a yoga mat and yourself. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We will begin today's practice with few rounds of cat and cow, means Marjariyasana. It's super simple yet the most effective. Minimum 5 rounds of cat and cow pose is a must to start with. With the inhale, you look up, and with the exhale, you look towards your belly. Similarly, you round your spine accordingly, like I am showing in the video. And you just move very slowly with the breath. You can do as many rounds you want with your comfort, and then relax in child pose. It might look very simple, but child pose is a game changer, basically, which helps you in loosening your shoulder as well as upper back. It's super helpful and super duper comforting. So, do include child pose in your daily practice. For more opening, we are going to practice some sideways thoracic openers where we put stress more with the palm we are putting down, and the other one we move with the breath. Like I'm showing, you can practice seated as well if you are pretty uncomfortable while doing over the fours. And slower, better. Steady holds, longer holds helps even better. Do not forget to practice from both the sides. And 5 to 10 times each sides is a good to have. So keep practicing them. And whenever you feel you are getting tired and uncomfortable, feel free to relax in again child pose. And in child pose, you can of course stay longer as per your comfort. Now, here you can see I'm practicing thread the needles. It is one of my favorite poses to de-stress when I have a long day or if I'm working long on my computer. It's super simple where you just put your palm down and then gradually with the help of the hand you just stretch and twist your body to the other side, whereas your body weight is on the knees and on the feet. And now gradually come up. Here I'm keeping my knees bended, and with the bended knees I'm going to practice some forward folds on the right and the left, and keeping knees bended, it's super duper helpful for your hamstrings. And when you feel you are done, you can come down and again relax. Take few breaths here. Longer and deeper breaths. Now we are going to practice some simple yet highly effective side stretches as well as shoulder rolls, where we are opening our shoulder blades so that we have a better relaxation and we get to sleep better, and our muscles just loosen up so that they release all the stress which we have been holding. And then some back splashes over the shoulder blades and some slight gentle back bend while keeping support at the lower back. You can practice these while standing or while sitting in chair as well. And always remember to practice shoulder rolls. They are the most effective ones in helping your shoulders. And now we will be moving ahead where we are going to use a wall. It's going to be a practicing for deepening your back bend little more, where wall is going to be a helper for you. You're going to open your entire spine pretty well with this pose. And just you hug someone, you hug the wall, and you will see the changes in your spine. And whenever you feel ready, rest in Makarasana, where you lie over the mat on your belly and just relax. You keep your chin on top of your fingers, like you collect both the hands together, and you keep your forehead or your chin on top of it, and or maybe cheek, and relax. You can practice Makarasana up to 3 to 5 minutes, and you will loosen up your spine and feel more relaxed and de-stressed. When you feel ready, you are free to come out of the pose and just to continue with your day-to-day life. I hope this entire flow made you feel more comfortable in your neck, shoulders, and spine. So if you have enjoyed practicing with me, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. That will keep me motivated to upload more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep practicing and just take care of yourself. Bye-bye.